Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get contact premium without paying. So let's start. Let's see if this is possible. Get contact will help you to get plans and contact by phone or something like that, and start description and the tariffs. And well, it's possible to get it without paying it. The answer is no. Probably it's possible if you do it with a third app. However, I don't recommend you this because it's illegal, or sometimes these apps have something like viruses or something like that for your devices. So I recommend you to better to get a subscription. The subscription per month is not expensive as you think. In fact, it's very cheap, and you can get it, and you can go to these benefits that it have. Also, you have the premium yearly, and you can get this plan. So you can verify it, and also there are the tariff or something like that. If you need a plan, just select the plan that you prefer, and you can start the subscription. It will transfer to the subscription, and you can start here writing your information about the information to your phone number and description. So that is how you can start doing it, guys. I hope this helps you a lot. And well, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.